So, what do we have here? Kmise musical instruments, all the way from China. Fragile. Banjo ukulele. That's how it arrives. I've always wanted a banjo ukulele. The old open L knife to open this up. So we can have a look and see what it's like. You just take that down there to the end and here. The banjo ukuleles, they've got a unique sound. How are we going to do this? There we go. That's right to the end. At the top as well. There. This one is supposed to be sort of, what do you call it? Black. A black sort of bit on the inside, and also some inlays which are black as well. So that's how it's packed, and it looks like, even looking through here, that it has been, looks like there's a little thing here for, it's the vellum, that's what it's called, the vellum. A little tool in here for loosening and tightening up the vellum, all the screws of the drum. And it's got lots of bubble wrap in it. It's quite hefty. Take this off. Woohoo! It's exciting, isn't it? So it's in some sort of bag. It's a heavy little piece of instrument. Let's do the unfolding here so you see it, what it looks like. There she is. Now, there's a piece of plastic in here. You can see that there. And I expect that is telling you where to put the bridge. Bridge installation position. So there's a little arrow there telling you to install the bridge just round about there. And the bridge we have put there on the strings. And I don't know what type of closed tuning pegs. Quality neck. A little bit there for putting a strap if you want. And perhaps another one there. All this bright stuff, shiny stuff. On the back, it's got little screws in it. There on the back, looks like it's some sort of laminate. Frets are not overhanging the edge. Very nice feel to it. So, that's it. The Kmise Banjolele. I'll stop here and get the bridge in, then tune it up and see what it sounds like. Yeah, it's quite a heavy little thing compared to all my other ukuleles. So I slackened off all the strings and I got that bridge out, and then I have put it in there. You can see the bridge is now in place just next to that piece of plastic that's down there, and there's little slots in it there that the strings fit into. Now it's just a question of getting that bit of plastic out, and there. That's the indicator where to put it, and tuning it up. I'll tune it up and then we'll get back to you. So, I've got it halfway tuned, but let's have a look at it. That'll give you an idea of the action on it. It's quite nice, I think. It's not too high off the strings. Going down here, all this nice chrome work, and at the edge, little tail piece there. There must be a truss rod going through, holding the neck at the other end. A black vellum, don't know where it's from. There it is. Nice round neck, and the frets have all been smoothed down so they're not hanging over the edge. Some inlays there at the 5th and the 7th to 10th, and the 12th, and also little side dots along there as well, little white ones, so you can pick out the 3rd, 5th, the 7th, the 10th and the 12th fret easily. And the headstock, let's take this up, this general. I don't know what that is, if it's inlaid or if it's just some sticker on there. Kmise, and those are the tuners. And what did that say about that there? This has been passed for inspection, but it's okay. And it sounds quite loud. So, nice. I think it's nice. I think it was about €45. Yes. Lovely. I love it. There we go. From China. I'll put a link down in the description where you can get it if you want it. But some of them are near 100, but this one was around about 45 or something like that. A little bit for postage, but not much. So that's it. That's my new banjolele. I've always wanted one.